Well, Melissa told you earlier on, ladies and gentlemen, that this is a special year for us in the Dubliners. It's Luke Kelly's 25th anniversary, Kieran Burke's 21st, and Ronnie Drew's first anniversary. So we'd like to remember our old friends tonight by way of some old photographs and some soundtracks and some video clips.
Ladies and gentlemen, first song we're going to sing this evening is called The Banks of the Roses. It's a nice little jig and it has words, so we can sing it. And the words tell us about the Irish love triangle. In the Irish love triangle, there are three parties involved, a man and a woman, and so for I. Or alcohol. So this girl is getting impatient, so she says to the boyfriend, giving him an ultimatum, saying, it's either the drink or me. And he chooses the drink. But afterwards, he relents, feels sorry. So they get married and live happily ever after, the three of them. So here we go.